Good morning, everyone. We are here on Walk the Talk session with Sneha Gupta. Hi, good morning, Sneha. How are you feeling?
Hi Ankita, I'm doing great. How are you?
I am doing good as well. We are going to immerse on the topic. Our topic is: would world be a better place if there were more women leaders in charge? So, Sneha, what is your take on it?
Yes, if we'll talk about the better world, the woman is doing really good job. Once, former President Obama said that if the country is led by the woman more than 2 years, the country will be on the better place and will improve.
That is insightful. I actually didn't know about this particular thing. But can you give me some real life example about it?
Yes, definitely I can give Ankita. If we'll take the example during the COVID-19 pandemic, let's go back at that crisis. The country like New Zealand and Germany, which were led by the women, did really good job.
Okay, good job. Can you elaborate on that?
Yes, good job in sense rather focusing more on economic and money side, they were more focused on saving lives. The women, the leader, were more injured with the people within the country. They were more concerned about their safety. They were more kind towards the people. With basically the term is called as the transformational leadership, which basically focus on the rather focusing on economic, they focused on saving life.
That is very prominent. Okay, but don't you think that there should be a balance between the both the aspects?
Yes, that's a really good question. There should be a balance between the both men and the women leader. Let's take an example. If you see a bird flying, and if the bird wants to fly, and the left wings of the bird is injured, and the right wings is okay, the bird will not be able to fly. There should be a balance between both the wings. If we'll talk about the real life, the men and the women should be balanced. If only the decision will be taken by the woman, there will always be a point where the men perspective will be ignored. And if only the decision will be taken by the men, there will always be a woman perspective which will be ignored in terms of safety, childcare, or the household.
Okay, that's actually very insightful. That is a lot of detail that has been discussed with Sneha. But Sneha, do you think that the companies also are involving in the same way?
Yes, definitely. You can see if the company have more women working in it, there are always a good decision and the company will grow in terms of money. So, if you'll talk, because women are good listener and also have some of the empathy towards the colleagues you can talk about. So there will always be a balance between the both because the women know how to balance the professional and the work life at the same time. So yeah, the companies are also realizing. You can see many companies where the women are working more than the men.
What an in-depth session we've had. Last question. If you have to summarize our discussion in one sentence, how would you say that?
Okay, that's really good. So I would say that the future leadership, rather more focusing on being glossy, there should be always a human side within any leader. So they can be more clear and transparent towards the people, right? So as we can see, the women are also leading the world nowadays, and they will and they are showing us how to do so. So will be the only sentence I will summarize this.
That was an immensely pleasing session. So delightful to have you here. It was a great session.
Thank you, Ankita.
And
Thanks
let's
for-
wrap this up. This is the end of Walk the Talk session. See you in the next session.